Hi, I'm ET and I'm here today at the Dunbier factory in Braeside, Victoria, taking a look behind the scenes. I've been using Dunbier trailers for years now and I often get asked if they're made in Australia. Well, let's go and take a look for ourselves. Dunbier Mackay can manufacture 35 trailers a day, so keeping the wheels rolling is a big task. There's a team of over 65 specialised production workers right here. Some of them have been here for over 35 years. So this steel, Aussie steel, is the cornerstone of every Dunbier Mackay trailer, and they won't build with anything else but Australian steel. One of the things that really amazes me is that all the parts of these Dunbier Mackay trailers are made in-house. Now this mudguard carrier is made by Carlos, and as you can see, it's amazing, legit, manufactured right here. Pretty cool. Well, first stage is metal preparation, where the steel is cut, bent, shaped and drilled. Stage 2, just over here. Once the parts are made and the frames are shaped, they come over here to be placed on the jig to be welded. There's over 14 specialised welders here at Dunbier Mackay, some working specifically on steel trailers, others working on aluminium trailers. Once the frames are ready, they're stacked and packed and then shipped off for galvanising. Once the trailers come back from galvanising, they move into stage 3 of production, which is final assembly. Wheels are fitted to tyres, axles and hubs are assembled, rollers put together and winch posts assembled. Now we're ready for production. Stage 1 is wheelbase. Guards, wheels, springs and axles all come together here. From wheelbase, the trailers are moved along the assembly line where everything's fitted. From wheels, electrical, rollers, everything that's required. Wheelbase is also where the brakes are fitted. Mechanical or electrical, whatever's needed. The final stage is quality, and when they're happy, they use this machine to stamp the VIN number, and then the trailer's ready to go. So all that's left to do is to put the trailers on a truck, and they'll be transported all around Australia. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes look at Dunbier Mackay trailers. They're definitely manufactured here in Australia.